guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have June's IPSY Glam Bag. Glam Bag versus Glam Bag. Do you want to know what I got in my bags? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my June Glam Bags just arrived, and let's go ahead and see what we got in here. I'm actually really excited because the item that I chose, I'm really excited for. So let's go ahead and get into my main profile, and then we'll get into my side chick. So let's get everything out. So it looks like this is the bag for this month. It is really, really cute. It's all summery with all these different women all laid out on their towels, all different shapes, colors, sizes, and all of that hair color, everything. I got some red hair up in here, blue hair up in here. So that is really, really neat, and it's very summery. So I like the bag. Okay, so the card that is in here is just their little generic. There's another thing in there. I guess their theme for this month is Make Waves for June 2020. I did redeem some points, so I know that's what this definitely is, because you're not going to get a full-size palette in a glam bag. But I have too many items here, and now I can't remember what all I added on. I know I'm not going to add on a brush, so I'm assuming that goes with this. But then I have, I don't know. So I'm just going to show you, what the hell is in here. So again, here's the bag. Inside the bag is all yellow, and it has this little like really pretty seafoam green colored pull tab that says IPSY on it. So the items that were inside of the bag that I know for a fact is in my glam bag for this month. You know what? Hold on. Okay, so mystery solved. I went ahead and, because I use my phone to record, so I popped into my app and looked to see what was in my glam bag for this month. So now I know which items are supposed to be in this month. So again, let's go ahead and go with what's in here. So the item that I chose, which I'm really, really excited about, is this Ofra highlighter. And I love Ofra highlighter. So I definitely, when I saw this, I'm like, yep, that's what I want. And I don't have this color. This is in Covent Garden. There's the color. And then it's like a really pretty, almost like a mauve color. There's that. So pretty. And again, I love Ofra highlighters, so I am not going to complain whatsoever. So there is the highlighter right there. Hoo hoo, bling bling. I love Ofra highlighters. If anyone were to ask me, do you suggest a highlighter? The only one that will pop in my head first and foremost is an Ofra highlighter. So there's item number one. So the next item is 2 sheet masks. Here's pineapple and here is pear, which I love sheet masks, so I'm definitely not going to complain about those. And then we have is a Hello Fab. This is by First Aid Beauty, and this is a Pores Be Gone matte primer. So there's that item. Then we have is a soothing cream right here. Then we have a brush, which, yeah, this is an Eddie Funkhauser domed blending brush. And that is what that looks like right there. So there's the brush. So this is everything that came in my IPSY Glam Bag main profile this month. Now, if you wanted to see quickly what I got for points, I'm probably gonna put this all over my face and my arms and use this right now because I'm gonna go out in my yard. I've been out there the last 3 days and I'm really burnt on my back shoulders. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and just use this probably on my face and my arms for today. But this is the Kula Mineral Sun Skin Cream Sunscreen, full 360 spectrum, SPF 30. I normally use like 50 or more, but I will definitely use this when I go outside when I'm done filming. By The Balm, and I only have one palette so far by The Balm. So when I saw this, I'm like, ooh, let me try that. And it looked like it would be pretty colors. And those are like the colors that I really like to use on a daily, pretty much. So I'm really, really excited to have this palette right there. So again, I redeemed points for this one. So there's that. Let's go ahead and get into my side chick. Okay, so same bag. Okay. I don't think it should sound like that. So this one I chose the Ochre highlighter as well, but in the different color. And it sounds like it's a little loose. Yes, it is definitely loose, but it's not broken. So all I have to do is just like glue that bad boy back down, and then it's back set where it needs to be. But this is in the color of Soho. So there's that, and let me hold that in there. There's the color of this one. So let me swatch this one, and I'll put it right next to the other one. So this is Soho. So there's both of those. All right, so there's item number one. The next item is this right here. It says that it is a body lotion. So you have a small little sample here. You can toss in your purse, your book bag, your gym bag, that kind of thing, and have a little lotion. There's the brand. So there's that. This one also has the same pore primer. So anytime I get a duplicate or the duplicate bag, I definitely save those to go to one of you guys. So this will go in my section for that. So here's another primer. Then we have is a Dew Tree Clean Lab AC Dew Foam, a foaming cleanser. And then this says tinted lips. I know I don't really do like lip products, so I will go ahead and save this for one of you guys to hopefully enjoy as well. So there's that item. Here I got the highlighter, a lotion, a lip product, a face primer, and then a foaming cleanser and the bag. So if you guys don't know, IPSY Glam bag is $12 a month with free shipping. They do have IPSY Plus that I used to get that I canceled like 2 months ago. That's $25. And then they have the Ultimate, I think is like $50. So they have different ones to choose from if you would like to check them out. I do have them linked down below. So you guys, that is everything that I have from both bags. Comment down below, did you get any of the same items? Do you get IPSY? Are we bag twins with my side chick or my main profile? Which bag did you like better? I honestly would have to say, I think maybe I like my main profile a little bit better. I don't know. I mean, I like both highlighters and the other ones are just like, okay. I don't know. So I don't really have a favorite. I think they're kind of they have pretty much the same kind of things inside. So, you know, there you go. But I don't complain because it's only $12, free shipping, and you get to try out 5 sample 2 full-size products. So there's that. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.